Alright, it's in the middle of the day, it's extremely hot in here. I need some AC, so I'm gonna do this as fast as I can. What's good on YouTube? As Nick here, we're back into the video. Welcome back to the channel. Anyway, yesterday, a few items came in the mail. No matter how hot it is in this room right now, I'm so excited to show you guys my new vlog setup. So, yeah, let me show you guys what came in the mail yesterday. The camera that I'm recording on right now is a Canon G7X. I've been vlogging with it for like a couple years, but I wanted to step up my vlog game. Summer's coming around, I have a lot of video projects planned, and I want to take vlogging more seriously as to the next level. Last week, we unboxed my brand new Sony a6300. And I mean, just from comparing the two, this camera is a blast, and it's just gonna get so much better. I have my whole vlog setup ready to go. I don't know, guys, I was so excited. I even got the official, the Sony camera bag. Anyway guys, it's crazy hot up here. I want to get my vlog camera set up, so yeah, let's get into it. Wait, before we get into the vlog setup, alright, twitch.tv AstroNick is the place to be. I stream video games there every single night if you guys want to support me, or if you guys like video games. Make sure to check out the channel, link is in the description. But okay, now let's go set up the vlog camera. Alright, so right here guys, I have my brand new Joby 3K. Now, for the Joby 3K, according to the packaging, this thing can hold up to 6.6 pounds. Also, just to note, this knob right here acts as like a tightener. So right now, I have it very, very loose. It's pretty much dangling here. But if I wanted to tighten it, all I have to do is hold the camera in the position that I want, twist the knob, and now it's holding my camera in place. Really quickly, I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys my old Joby that I used to run. So once again, this is the Joby 3K, and this is the baby Joby. If you guys are vlogging with like a G7X or a Sony RX100, I mean, this baby Joby is fine. In my opinion though, the quality of this baby Joby isn't too good. So definitely, if you guys can, invest in a higher end Joby. Currently, I have a 16GB memory card inside of my a6300, but already from the last video that I recorded, I could already tell that 16GB is definitely not enough, especially since the a6300 shoots in 4K. I got my 120GB memory card, and that's what I'm mainly going to be using. Alright guys, so here's the Sony ECM XYST1M microphone. Comes with a little carrying case, microphone jack, windscreen for the microphone. I actually saw this on YouTube and I knew that this microphone was the one. I got it just for this. Nah, I'm just kidding. I actually really like the audio from what I heard, and we're going to test it out as soon as I set this up. And here is the microphone itself. Alright guys, it took me a while, but I finally figured out how to put the mic on. While I was trying to figure out how to put on the microphone, I learned a little bit about this microphone as well. So there's a shock mount on this microphone, so it has a little bounce to it. So for example, if I'm like walking around or running around and my camera's jiggling and wiggling, this shock mount will reduce the vibrations to the microphone, so that's pretty good. Also, there is a normal and low cut mode. So for example, if I go out and it's really, really windy, I can just use this switch to low cut, and I think some of the sound should be reduced. We'll see how that works in the future. Also, this microphone picks up sound from multiple directions, so if you want to pick up sounds from the left and the right, all you have to do is kind of push these apart and you'll get sound from the left and right. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for the setup. It's finally done. It took me a lot longer to set this up than you guys would think, but anyway, let's go test this out now. Alright, so here's the first official test of the official vlog setup. Let me know what you guys think. I have my AC on right now. It's pretty hot, and I want to see how well this thing doesn't pick up background noise. I think that, yeah, how well it doesn't pick up background noise. But anyway, we're gonna go head outside as well. I want to see how this thing does outside, so let's go. Alright guys, I'm now outside. It's pretty windy. I still have the mic on normal, so let me know how I sound. But yeah, honestly, this camera is just gonna help me and just make me want to produce even more content. I'm gonna bring quality content. It's gonna be a great summer. By the way, I just finished my last day of class today, so we're officially on summer break, boys. All right, but just for like, I guess, vlog testing purposes, or camera testing purposes, I'm gonna turn this to low cut now, and you guys can let me know if you guys hear a difference. 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're in low cut. Let me know how I sound, if I sound any different. Give me feedback. But anyway guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hopefully everything's recording. Okay, it's good. I had to check if it was recording. Alright, anyway guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I got a lot of videos coming, like a lot. So make sure to stay tuned. This summer is gonna be freaking crazy. Once again, I'll remind you guys, twitch.tv AstroNick is the place to be for gaming. If I'm not vlogging, I'm on Twitch. We're on the summer grind, guys. Alright, now it's like super windy, but if you guys have any questions regarding like the vlog camera setup, I'd be more than glad to, you know, answer you guys back. You guys can leave in the comments, DM me, whatever it is. My Instagram and Twitter is down below as well. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. You guys all have a great day. Have a great night. This is Nick Churro. I'll see you guys next time, and shoots.